The rise of wearable cardiac monitoring devices is transforming personal health. Millions of people now track their heart rate and rhythms using smartwatches and adhesive patches. This technology promises to shift healthcare from reactive treatment to proactive prevention. But for the companies creating these life-changing devices, a brilliant invention is only the first step on a long and complex journey. The greatest challenge is not engineering or software, but navigating the intricate maze of global regulations. A device approved by the FDA in the United States cannot simply be sold in Europe or Asia. Each market has its own set of demanding rules, and failure to comply can stop a global launch in its tracks. Let's consider a real-world scenario for a company with a new ECG patch that uses AI to detect atrial fibrillation. After securing FDA clearance, they decide to expand into the European Union and Japan. In the EU, they face the rigorous Medical Device Regulation, or MDR. This requires them to appoint an EU-authorized representative, engage a notified body for certification, and completely reformat their technical documentation to meet stringent clinical evidence requirements. The data that satisfy the FDA is often not enough for the EU. Simultaneously, for Japan, they need approval from the PMDA. This involves appointing an in-country marketing authorization holder and adapting their entire submission into Japanese, addressing specific local testing and quality system standards. The company is now fighting a war on two fronts, draining resources and delaying market access. Successful companies overcome this by building a global regulatory strategy from day one. Instead of one-off submissions, they use a single process, multiple markets approach. They build a core technical dossier that can be efficiently adapted for various regions. This is where modern technology helps. Advanced AI tools can now streamline the compilation of these complex documents, checking for consistency and adapting sections to meet local requirements, which dramatically reduces manual effort and human error. Furthermore, navigating these markets is impossible without deep local expertise. Having regulatory experts on the ground in key regions provides invaluable insight into unwritten rules and direct lines of communication with authorities. Finally, the work does not end at market approval. Companies must establish robust post-market surveillance systems to monitor device performance and report any adverse events, a process that continues for the entire lifecycle of the product. For any medtech company in the wearable space looking to navigate these complex global waters, understanding these strategic layers is critical. If you have questions about your global strategy, you can email us at info@pureglobal.com. or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.